Hello, friends. Money rarely appears in someone's life by accident. Long before wealth shows up in a bank account, something else changes first. The change begins in the mind, in the quiet pattern of beliefs and focus that shape how a person sees opportunity. Across psychology, neuroscience, and spiritual philosophy, one principle appears again and again. The inner financial identity of a person determines the outer financial reality they experience. When the internal pattern changes, the external results begin to follow. Sometimes the shift is subtle, sometimes it arrives through unexpected opportunities, new ideas, or surprising financial openings. What most people call luck is often the result of an invisible internal shift that happened earlier. The hidden problem behind financial struggle. Many people assume their financial situation is determined by destiny or by circumstances outside their control. They work harder, push longer hours, and chase more strategies, yet the financial outcome rarely changes. The real obstacle is rarely effort. The real obstacle is programming. During the first years of life, the human brain observes belief from parents, society, and everyday conversation. These early messages quietly form a financial operating system inside the subconscious mind. Phrases like money is hard to earn, we can't afford that, rich people are greedy, money doesn't grow on trees. To a child's brain, these are not opinions, they become rules. Over time, these rules shapes decisions, expectations, and reactions to opportunity. The subconscious mind then filters reality through those beliefs, repeatedly recreating the same financial experiences. In other words, many people are not living their financial destiny, they are living their financial programming. The good news is that programming can be rewritten. The principle behind wealth attraction. Ancient teachings across cultures have always suggested that reality responds to focused awareness. Modern neuroscience and quantum theory echo similar ideas in a different language. Attention directs energy. Energy shapes perception. Perception influences outcomes. When attraction repeatedly goes, mental pathways grow stronger. Neuroscience calls this process neural reinforcement. Each repeated thought strengthens a pathway in the brain until it becomes the default pattern of thinking. This is why certain people naturally think in terms of expansion, opportunity, and possibility, while others automatically think in terms of limitations and risk. Over time, those people's internal pattern guide behavior. A person who believes opportunity exists constantly scans the world for it. They notice ideas, contacts, and openings that others overlook. A person who expects scarcity focuses mainly on problems, obstacles, and fears. Both people live in the same world, but their minds filter reality in completely different ways. This is where affirmation becomes powerful. Affirmations are not simple positive statements. When practiced with repetition and emotional engagement, they begin reshaping the subconscious blueprint that governs financial decisions and perceptions. Repeated affirmations gradually build new neural pathways associated with abundance, creativity, and possibility. Over time, the mind begins to treat those beliefs as normal. Once the internal belief system shifts, the brain begins noticing opportunities that previously went unnoticed. New ideas appear, different choices are made, different results follow. This is why many successful entrepreneurs and high achievers speak openly about mental conditioning, visualization, and belief training. They understand that the mind must first become familiar with abundance before abundance becomes familiar in reality. Applying the principle in real life, the progress begins with deliberate mental focus. The goal is not to deny current circumstances but to temporarily shift attention away from limitations and towards possibility. These shifts create a mental environment where new financial thinking can emerge. A simple practice involves slowing down, taking a deep breath, and focusing fully on the idea of financial expansion. Instead of replaying past financial stress, the mind rehearses a new identity, the identity of someone who naturally creates wealth, attracts opportunity, and generates value. Powerful affirmations support this shift. Statements like, financial freedom is part of my life, money flows towards me through multiple opportunities. My ideas create value and income. My income expands consistently. Wealth supports my freedom and my purpose. I attract powerful insights that lead to financial success. Every day I recognize new opportunities around me. Prosperity grows naturally through my actions and creativity. When these statements are repeated with focus and emotion, the subconscious mind begins accepting them as new instructions. Over time, these instructions influence behavior. People begin exploring ideas they previously ignored. They build new connections. They notice opportunities hidden inside everyday situations. What appears from the outside as sudden success is often the result of this gradual internal transformation. Financial change rarely begins with a bank transaction. It begins with a mental shift. Once the mind becomes comfortable with abundance, decisions change, habits change, attention changes, and slowly the external world begins reflecting the new internal identity. The most successful individuals consistently train their focus. They think about opportunity more than limitations. They invest attention in growth rather than fear. That mental discipline becomes the foundation of wealth. The transformation starts quietly with a decision to upgrade the beliefs guiding everyday thinking. Over time, those beliefs create new actions, new ideas, and new financial outcomes. The future financial reality of any person is shaped by the beliefs they consistently reinforced. When the internal story changes, the external results eventually follow. A powerful step forward begins with a simple mindset shift. A commitment to focus on possibility, expansion, and opportunity every single day. Wealth begins as a thought, grows into a belief, and finally becomes a reality. Thank you for watching this video.